And look at all these model kits here, guys. Look at this. I've got most of these here. I'm not going to pick up one and get one, which my dad, he did. You'll see a video on it. Ooh, Christine, I want this kit. I want this kit also. Maybe I'll get it for Christmas. That's why it's too early. See, I built that kit, not on channel. I got this kit to build, this kit to build. I want to get this kit. I built this one on channel. And I got this. Need to build. I got a cases. Need to put something in. And then look on the back side, a bunch of Coca-Cola kits. Built this one not on YouTube. Built this one not on YouTube, but got that one to build. I built this one, built that one. I haven't built this one at all. Remember it? Ooh, International Scout. Alright, see you guys in the next video.